Hi, I'm Charlie. Let's take a look at how to use the Avocado AI system to generate photos of menu items. First, let's take a look at the menu. Take a note of menu items that you'd like to update. So, for example, we'll use Res Rocket. Next, let's open Avocado's AI. You can access the assistant through any web browser on your phone or on your desktop. Once you're there, let's write generate photo for Res Rocket menu item and update the menu. Put the drink in front of a green background. Feel free to update this prompt to match your style. Avocado's AI will now generate an image. This will take a minute. As it works, you'll begin to see a preview of the image load in. Great, now you can see the generated image. If you have adjustments, you can ask the AI to make those changes. Once you like the photo, go ahead and save it. And there you go. Let's go back to Avocado's online ordering page for your restaurant to confirm that the menu has been updated. And voila! Alright, thanks for watching, and let us know what you'd like to see next.